Welcome back. I've got chart of the week here, how you can still make money when your forecast is not accurate. Today's Friday, January 15th, 2021. Important reminder before we look at the charts that trading and investing can be extremely risky business. Therefore, it's your responsibility to evaluate any information, opinion, advice, or other content contained in this video. Now, how you can still make money when your forecast is not accurate. Yes, this is actually the case, and I teach this approach in my loss forecasting trading system. So let's look at the steps overall. First is to know what makes your original forecast accurate or inaccurate. Okay? You have to have definitive parameters that tell you what would make the forecast right and what would make it not right. And the thing is, even if it's not right, aka wrong, it can actually still help you make money. The next step is to be on the lookout for cycles being stronger or weaker than expected. Okay, forecasts are just measurements of cycles in the market, and my tool is the simplest approach to doing that. Cycles can change, and they can get stronger and weaker, and so knowing how to measure that is the next step. Now, when a cycle is behaving differently than the forecast projected, which is making it not accurate, it's important to know how to tighten up protective stops as price action dictates. And remember to always trade as per your risk-reward parameters. All right, let's take these steps and look at a market that I just reviewed with my members in monthly group coaching live. And that market is heating oil. Yes, you guys asked for it, you got it. So we took a look at the daily chart of heating oil. And in front of my students' eyes, right in front of them, we created a long-term forecast for heating oil. Now, I did this here in the middle of January, but this forecast could have been created as early as mid-November. The ultimate target for this forecast, an accurate projection of time and price, is the very tip of this sole arrow that you see out here. Okay, so if I want to put an approximation on the price, call it 1.59 on February 9th. Now I want you to check something really cool out. Remember I said that you could have made this prediction as early as mid-November? Well, let's say you did, and the market was continuing higher and higher. The way that I do forecasts, it actually gives you barometers along the way to help you know if a cycle might be stronger than expected, like it is here, or weaker than expected. And we could see that because there was an approach to one element of the forecast, a price, here on December 18th. So you can see the bottom of this arrow in the circle is the price that was predicted to be reached by December 18th in the context of the forecast to February 9th. And that was super helpful. So even though the forecast wasn't accurate, even though the market didn't just stay away and make a straight, run for the forecasted target at the end, this provided a lot of use. And as per the steps, the next thing would be to tighten protective stops as price action dictates. So if, let's say you had been long from anywhere in here or been taking day trades, continuing to go long, approaching this inaccurate part of the forecast would have warned you to maybe protect your profits on your longs and get out of the way. And that was the exact right move because we had a couple weeks of sideways trading, right? Consolidation. From there, the market resumed higher. And again, based on the layout that my forecast gives you, there was another time where the price was at the time that you could have planned for with this market being stronger than expected. Okay. So there's still time on this forecast. But look, we actually reached the target. So what does it mean when you hit the target early in time as opposed to the price that's supposed to be met at a later date? Well, that's something I go through with the cheat sheet in the loss forecasting trading system so that you know exactly how to navigate when your forecast is inaccurate or even when your forecast is plain wrong. It's awesome how you can still make money with either situation. So remember, you should be diving into your forecasting techniques. I make it really simple for you to do in any active market in any time frame. And keep an eye out for live trainings I'll be doing on forecasting coming up soon. Catch you on the inside. You can sign up at the link to get my hot, timely, actionable updates as soon as I publish right to your inbox.